Hi, my name is Shannon Toon with Dining with the Toons and Craft Burger. It's finally that time of the year. It's holiday season. It's time to gather around the table with family. Today we're going to be making some green bean casserole. It's a great holiday side dish. I think this dish goes over really well because one, we're going to be making it from scratch. We're not going to be using any cream of mushroom soup. And this is like really green bean mac and cheese, so the kids really love it. So our ingredients for today's dish, we have some freshly blanched green beans. Make sure you use fresh green beans and not canned ones. Then we have 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of butter. This is some grated parmesan, the onion that we diced, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of chopped thyme. This here is some shredded, sharp, aged cheddar cheese, some grated fontina cheese, and then finally to top it, we're gonna use some fried real sweet onions. So to start, we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter in our pan. As that is going, we're gonna add the onion that we chopped earlier. We're gonna add the garlic. And the thyme. So the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna add the flour, the heavy cream, and then we're gonna make a roux. So our roux is starting to come together, so we're gonna season with a little salt and some pepper. This is where the controversy goes. A lot of people are gonna say you should use white pepper, but this is a strictly black pepper household. So as the sauce starts to thicken, we can start adding our cheese. So first we're gonna add the white cheddar. We're gonna add in some fontina. So you wanna continue to cook it on low for about another 10 more minutes. You wanna make sure you cook out the flour flavor as much as possible. But we're also gonna put this in the oven, so you don't have to spend all the time on the stove. It'll cook out in the oven as well. So this is how thick it should be at the end. This is basically your cream of sweet onion sauce right here, and with all the cheese in there. Next, what we're gonna do is take this and we're gonna put it over our blanched green beans. We're gonna take this sauce as well and pour it over. And then we're just gonna give it a good mix. Next, we're gonna put it in our casserole dish. I sprayed this casserole dish with some non-stick spray. So now that we have it all in there, we're just gonna top it with some grated Parmesan cheese. Some people here would put some breadcrumbs, but I want to keep in a theme of cheese here and go with the Parmesan. This is going to make a beautiful crust. So now that it's all topped, we're going to now put it into our preheated oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to leave it in here for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until it's all golden brown and bubbly. So now that it's been taken out of the oven, we have a pre-done casserole here. You see the cheese is all bubbly, but now our favorite part, we're going to top it with some fried, real sweet onions. I think this is everyone's favorite part. And here you go, your new holiday favorite, green bean casserole with real sweet, crispy onions.